males, their pectoral fins can be the equivalent of about a third their body length. So a large humpback whale, pectoral fins might be 15 feet long. So if that whale opens up those pectoral fins, you can have a span almost as long as the whale, 30 feet. Tail flukes on a big humpback whale too can be as wide as about 12 feet. So they're pretty tremendous. Probably beginning to see some of the bumps that are on the top of their rostrum there. Each one of those bumps, they're called tubercles, about the size of a golf ball. For tail fluke right now.